Tax season is underway. Experts say some taxpayers are seeing delays in refunds. This is not only because of the backlog at the IRS. Stimulus checks and child tax credits are holding up refunds as well.
And Mark Steber is the Chief Tax Information Officer at Jackson Hewitt, and he is here to discuss the first month of tax season and how to avoid potential audits. First, good morning to you. Good to see you. The lighting looks great. You look great. It's good to have you on.
It's a great time. It's taxpayer refund time. So how could you not enjoy it? So
exactly.
It's good to be here.
We love the refunds.
Yes, we like money.
All right, first for you, talk about the delays that people are seeing in refunds right now. And what should people know about stimulus payments and child tax credits?
Yeah, the last year or two taught us some really important lessons on filing your tax returns. And that one lesson is that accuracy matters. There's no guesstimating or estimating on your advanced child tax credits if you were part of that program, or stimulus amounts if you don't remember what you got way back in March of 2021. Be accurate. The IRS sent out letters. So the people that you're hearing about that are delayed are people that guesstimated or thought, as a myth goes, that the IRS will just fix it once you send in your tax return. You have to be accurate or the IRS will fix it. They're just suffering the same sort of staffing challenges that many companies are, and it's going to take time. If you do it right on the front end, give your tax pro accurate information, you shouldn't face any delays. And we're seeing a lot of folks flowing right now. Refunds are coming. 36 million people have filed. Over 20 million refunds have been sent out. So it's working, but it's for the accurate people, not the guesstimate people.
Good to know, Mark. So what is the Earned Income Tax Credit and who qualifies for it?
Yeah, the Earned Income Credit's a credit that's been around for about 20 years. 30 million of people take advantage of it. It's a wonderful credit for moderate and middle income earning taxpayers, and it gives you an additional credit. And the credit now is up to about $6,728 if you have 3 children. So it's a big thing. But if you overlook it, as 1 out of 5 do, as I mentioned in my myths, the IRS won't just add that credit to your tax return. So if you've got some moderate and middle income and you've got some dependents, and even if you don't, ask your tax pro about the Earned Income Tax Credit. It can make a big difference on your tax return and on your refund.
It is always this time of the year that I wish I had kids.
Of course.
All right, real quick, what are some common tax myths that taxpayers believe?
Well, I'll give you 3. The one is I can guesstimate and the IRS will fix it. That's a bad one. Use those IRS documents, the IRS letters on child credit or the advanced payments of the child credit and on the stimulus payment and your W-2s. Use accurate information. Another myth of it's small income or cash or tips or crypto, I don't have to put that on my tax return. That is false, could not be farther from the truth. No matter what it is, unless it's specifically excluded as with a gift or health, life insurance, for example, you must put it on your tax return. If you leave it off and the IRS has a copy of it, then you might be getting a notice or an audit or a delay. The last myth that we see is that you think the IRS is all powerful and they're going to fix your mistake. They're going to add that credit. They're going to add those benefits. That's simply not true. You leave off a credit, you leave off a benefit, it stays off forever and your refund is smaller. So get it right, use a pro, file early, get your money. It's just a smart thing to do.
Use a pro.
Yeah, yes, trust the experts. So what is the most likely scenario of getting audited? Nobody wants to get audited, but what would trigger one?
Well, the audit avoidance is pretty simple, and unlike the myth, it's not the home office, it's not taking charitable donations. Some of the triggers for red flags on audits are you have information that's at the IRS but not on your tax return, from a W-2 that you worked a short amount of time or a 1099 for some interest or dividends. There are any number of things. You leave it off, you're going to get a letter. Another area that people get into trouble with is if they simply claim a whole bunch of new dependents, because that child tax credit is so big this year, $3,600 for young children. You add a bunch of new dependents and they're not really yours, you're probably going to get looked at. Continued business losses, unusual large deductions, income with no expenses for self-employed people to artificially raise your income. All of those can lead to some inquiry and some examination that range from an error resolution letter, they're just looking at you, to come on down to the office and bring your box. We're going to really dig into your stuff.
Ooh.
So do it right. It's just a safer way to go on your single largest financial transaction, your tax return.
All right, so Suzanne, I guess I can't claim your son, Austin.
No, not this year.
Not this year. All right, final question for you. Do you have any other advice for people who still need to file this year? A lot of people wait until the last minute.
Yep, absolutely. You got 49 days or 7 weeks from today is the due date, but no reason to wait. If you're going to file and you've got all your documents, file now. If you're due a refund, and 3 out of 4 people are, and refunds are even larger, you don't have to be a financial genius to know, go get your money. The second reason to file early is you lock up your data with the IRS. If you file your tax return, your information, your social security number, spouse if you got one, kids if you have those, it's locked up. So some schemer or somebody out on the dark web buying your data, they can't file and steal your refund. And the final reason to file early as you can is if you have a new dependent or a new child tax credit or a new home office and you've got some questions, you're not up against the midnight hour when your pro says, hey, do you have any documentation for this? You're not rushing around and making another mistake. So file early, get your money, file early, lock up your data, and file early just to have a little extra time in case something new, and there's a lot new, is on your tax return. It's just a smarter way to go, to file early and not wait till the last minute.
Mark Steber, you are all of that and a bag of chips. Don't you let anybody else tell you otherwise. All right. Thank you so much. And good to have you on as well.
Good time.
All right.
Mark. He's
Mark.
So
he's so smart, too.
Yeah. Usually I imagine accountants being so serious, you know, like with a frown. Mark would make it comfortable, make it enjoyable. All right.
Exactly.